This association is proud of its reputation for taking a proactive approach on issues and building relationships that advance the interests of its members and the industry. This approach to government relations has led to successes that include significant changes to the province's Builders Lien Act. The association, through its role on the Apprenticeship Employer Review Panel, also made formal recommendations to the Minister of Labour and Advanced Education. During a press conference, the Minister accepted these recommendations, which will see employers more involved and accountable and will create more apprenticeship opportunities and improve support for apprentices. This association is also increasing its rapport with municipal governments. Its inaugural Council and Construction event, held between its Executive Committee and the Regional Municipality City Council, was a huge success, and future events are being planned as follow-up. Education is another subject that this association takes great pride in. Having heard from its members that training can be difficult and costly, especially for those who operate outside of the city center, this association developed a fully integrated high-definition video-based system which includes 2 fully equipped physical classrooms and the ability to provide dedicated connection for virtual meeting spaces simultaneously. The association has also significantly increased its course offerings, and an additional 34 courses became Gold Seal accredited, now making their entire course catalog Gold Seal accredited. The association has also partnered with its local university to develop a program which will enable candidates to develop critical leadership skills and sector-specific competencies in order to increase productivity, innovation, and competitiveness. The association has also developed a membership engagement and recruitment strategy, which includes a new referral program, a relationship management structure, and improved communications with members and potential members through social media, including the commencement of developing mobile apps to access relevant association content. After a 2-year consultative process, the association recently launched its new logo, reflecting its more than 150-year history and moving towards its next anticipated 150 years.